Okay, so it's my first time using the GHD DUET blow dry, and I thought let me record it so that you guys can see the final look of this blow dry. Before I blow dry my hair, I'm gonna put this total volume foam mousse. I do have thin hair, luckily a lot of hair. This is my first time using this blow dryer, so bear with me. I'm sure I'll get better at it as I use it more. I really hope this works, because for me this brush was expensive. Gayala. So far, so good. Okay, dis die final look. I presies 16 minute gevat. Very happy. I think if I had to cut my ends, this blow dryer would just give that old money look. Completely dry. I really like this. It's working for me. Okay,